So hello everybody, my name is Kapish and I'm one of the students from Bury English Academy. Today in this video I'm going to tell you top 5 jobs in India without any investment and degree, especially for the students watching this video. But before that, if you don't know what is Bury, so Bury is the English Academy where you guys can learn communication skills, spoken English, personality development in both online and offline. So now let's get started with our content without wasting any more time. So guys, talking about of our first job, it is content creation. Just imagine कि आपके पास किसी भी चीज़ का टैलेंट है. Maybe it can be a talent of music production, maybe it can be a talent of teaching somebody. So you guys can showcase your talent on different platforms including YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. One of my case study is that if you are making video for uploading on YouTube, like YouTube is captured by so many big creators like जैसे कि Flying Beast, Mumbaiker, Nikhil, and there are several of underrated YouTubers which are not getting subscribers because of one problem is that because जितने भी बड़े creators हैं वो YouTube को completely capture कर चुके हैं. So one of my advice is that you should upload video on YouTube, but other than that try to upload it on Instagram, Twitter or Facebook. Like if you are not getting growth from YouTube, so you guys can get the growth or capture the growth from different other platforms. Now talking about how you are paid in this, so if you are uploading a video on YouTube, so you are paid through Google AdSense, and on other of the platform there are sponsorship deals which can give you a very big amount of money. Now talking about the requirements, mostly you need a laptop to do good quality editing, and a simple laptop it is all. And if you think that you are talented enough to edit your videos on mobile phone, so there are several applications like KineMaster, InShot, so you guys can edit your videos from them. So guys, talking about of our second job, it is blogging. Think that if I have a knowledge कि यार affiliate marketing क्या होता है and how can we do affiliate marketing, so I can write a paragraph on it in text form and afterwards I can publish it on different type of platforms including Quora, Blogspot, WordPress. They pay you for this, and even through this you guys can do affiliate marketing. Now talking about the earning, you are getting paid through different paying formulas of the type of content you are producing and on the type of platform you are using to publish your blogs. Other than that, if you have to publish your blogs on your own website, so you have to buy the premium subscriptions of different type of platforms like Blogspot, Quora and WordPress. And now talking about the requirement, you need a simple low-end PC, and that's all for this job. So guys, talking about of a third job, it is freelancing. Freelancing means to be self-employed, मतलब कि अपना खुद का business करना. Let's take example over here कि मेरे को आता है कि video कैसे edit कर सकते हैं. So my clients will contact me to edit their videos and I will charge a commission to their videos. This is basically freelancing, मतलब कि self employed, मतलब कि अपना खुद का business करना. Talking about the earning is through the commission work you are doing. And talking about the requirement, most of the time it is based on the type of freelancing you are doing. There are different types of freelancing. It is in graphic freelancing, music freelancing and editing freelancing. So that is all for this job. So guys, talking about of our fourth job, it is online tuition. I hope that you all guys know that what is tuition. Basically in this you have to teach your student. Most of the time tuitions are offline, but due to this pandemic all of the people have been shifted to online tuition, and that's why most of the people based their career on online tuitions. You can teach anything, maybe it can be studies, maybe you guys can teach somebody music, maybe you can teach somebody guitar. So basically this is online tuition. You are getting paid in terms of fees. And talking about the requirements, a simple mobile is all for this job, but a laptop is must recommended because you guys can do high interactive screen sharing, which is very well for your students to understand what you are explaining to them. So that's all for this job. So guys, talking about the fifth and the last job, which is affiliate marketing. It is a little bit complicated, but don't worry. Let's just imagine 3 imaginary person. First one is me, I am the seller. Second one is you, who is the affiliate marketer. And the third imaginary person is the customer. So I will contact you to sell my product to that particular customer, and I will give the commission on that particular item you have sold to that particular customer. Like there are different types of product. There are electronic gadgets, there are kitchen gadgets, there are grocery items. So there is different type of commission on different type of products. Now talking about the earning, when you will sell that particular item, so I will give the commission to you. And talking about the requirement, a simple low-end PC for affiliate marketing is must. Other than that, you guys can do the promotion of your product through blogs, which I covered as my second job. And there are so many ways to promote your link, and there are so many associations which you guys can associate with. Like today it is not possible to go everybody house and then sell your product, but other than that there are Amazon affiliate, Flipkart affiliate, Walmart affiliate, so you guys can contact to them. There are several websites which I will link in the description, and you guys can associate with them, and afterwards you guys can sell their product and you guys can get up your commission. So guys, if you find my content helpful to yourself, so don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, press that bell icon to all, follow us on Instagram, and I will meet you with another one. Till then, goodbye.